provide inclusive, effective, and accessible healthcare to our people, we have implemented far-reaching reforms in the health sector. Consequently, I recently assented to 4 crucial laws which are expected to anchor the implementation of universal health coverage, affirming our commitment to transform healthcare. As the apex forum of intergovernmental relations, the National and County Government Coordination Summit must be seen in this light. My faith in the power of this forum as a force of national good is therefore absolute.
The Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee shall comprehensively engage with all stakeholders for a further period of 2 months to ensure that the exercise of transfer of functions will offer technical support to the exercise. County Industrial and Aggregation Pacts. Every county government shall sign all the necessary intergovernmental agreements with the National Treasury within the next 14 days to activate the disbursement of the allocated national government counterpart funding to the county governments. The Attorney General shall provide legal advice on the structure of the intergovernmental agreements to be signed by the 2 levels of government. Similarly, through the Supplementary Budget 2023-2024 financial year, the national government shall provide a budgetary allocation for the remaining 29 CAIPs in the 29 county governments that are yet to benefit from the program. That on Roads Maintenance Levy Fund, RMLF, a consultative process shall be instituted involving both levels fund between the 2 levels of government. His Excellency the President shall lead the mediation process.